Emotions are biological states associated with the nervous system, brought on by neurophysiological changes variously associated with thoughts, feelings, behavioral responses, and a degree of pleasure or displeasure. Emotions can be defined as a positive or negative experience that is associated with a particular pattern of physiological activity. There is currently no scientific consensus on a definition. The original role of emotions was to motivate adaptive behaviors that in the past would have contributed to the passing on of genes through survival, reproduction, and kin selection. Emotions produce different physiological, behavioral and cognitive changes. The word emotion encompasses a broad range of feelings, behavior and changes in the body and mind. Noted professor and psychologist, Robert Plutchik listed the basic or main types of emotions as follows: joy, trust, fear, surprise, sadness, disgust, anger, anticipation. These, he said, can be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary emotions. Along with the primary emotions, we also experience secondary emotions which are a direct reaction of the primary emotions. Not all feelings include emotion, such as the feeling of knowing. In the context of emotion, feelings are best understood as a subjective representation of emotions, private to the individual experiencing them. Moods are diffuse affective states that generally last for much longer durations than emotions. Affect is used to describe the underlying affective experience of an emotion or a mood. Measuring emotions needs variation. Variation is the norm when it comes to measures of emotion. One happy person might fall down to her knees and shed tears of joy, like Simona Halep winning Wimbledon, while another person might just smile and look like he is going to get another beer from the fridge, like Novak Djokovic winning Wimbledon.